Hello once again and greetings from Japan. I believe it's July the 26th, and today we have a 2007 March Toyota Alphard. It's the four-wheel drive version, so it's the MNH15 with the V6 3-liter engine, and it's got 56,000 miles or 90,000 kilometers, and it's a proper Toyota grade 4B. So let's take a look at it. I've left the engine running on this video. Normally I don't, but it's so hot inside the car that when I get in, otherwise I'm suffocating. So it's got the HID AFS headlights and the front fog lights. It's just, I mean, there's nothing to mention on the body at all. It's got the standard 17-inch alloys with very usable radial tires. Even the mirrors don't even have small scratches on them. Sorry, the sun came out, so got a bit of a shadow here. I was hoping the sun wouldn't poke its head out, but it did. Yep, nice and clean. It's got all power doors. Oh, I can't demonstrate those because the key's inside the car. I will demonstrate them a little bit later. Just walk around first. Oh no, I won't. I'll do it now. Which means the car will be relatively cool, I hope. And then we can demonstrate the rear door, which is remote. The has the grey Alcantara interior, and it's an 8-seater. Seats are wonderfully positioned. Anyway, nice clean headlining, just a nice spotless interior. Carpet, seats, everything is just very nice. Okay, and one thing to check is these I don't know if you can see them inside there, but is the wire in here. This wire is the wire that closes and pulls and opens the sliding doors, and it's just something worth checking if you're buying one of these, to see those wires are still properly coated. If they're starting to peel, then you're going to have problems with the doors. So if you're looking at one of these at a dealer or anywhere, just one little point to check, make sure those wires are in good condition. Otherwise they need replacing, which is not a huge expense, but it's easy if it's done here in Japan, obviously. This one they're perfectly good. Both wires are in perfect condition. Okay, so just a very clean car. And please do also take a look at the Dropbox link of photographs, which gives you comprehensive photographs of the underneath as well, and just shows how spotless this particular car is. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate the remote power slide doors. Sorry, this seat. Okay. Just very clean. Gives the impression it's hardly been used. Okay, oops, how do I do this? Let me just release this and push this back. There we go. You can see the floor here, the carpet, the rear cup holder. Another weak point on this model, I do tend to be missing sometimes. Okay. That's the flip down rear monitor. Oof, God, it's hot. There we go. And of course it has keyless entry. If the key is in your pocket, you just touch the touch the door handle, and let's see. Here you can see the mileage there, 90,000 kilometers, which is 56,000 miles. And let's start up. Actually, I'm going to kind of go a little bit quicker with this video because it's so hot today and the camera is kind of playing up with the heat. So you can see all the warning lights are off, and positively a non-smoker car. Has the rear remote, and I believe it has some history maybe. Anyway, glove box, and yeah. And another weak point on this model is, anybody who buys these would know, is the headlining in the front, especially in these corners here above the driver head, tend to separate. They tend to separate from the ceiling. This one is absolutely perfect. There's no separation at all, and it's just very clean. Yeah, and maybe I'll just do the auction sheet from here rather than walk around the car. And as you can see, it's a grade 4B from TAA Toyota auction, and four-wheel drive, M&H 15, Alphard Heisei 19 or 2007 March, 90,000 kilometers, which is the equivalent of 56,000 miles. And just minor little things mentioned on the body. And as you might know, the Toyota auction grading is an algorithm, and it spits out its computer grade rather than a human's judgment, which possibly is more accurate actually. And there's the controls for the slide doors on the interior. It's an illuminated rear fog switch. We don't install the rear fog. We assume that will be done by your MOT man, and it comes with a full set of keys and fobs. And we'll take a quick look at the engine. Well, there's many bugs around this time of the year, and there he is, inspecting the tyres. There he goes. It's the VVTi V6 3-litre engine, so it's a nice smooth engine. Really clean engine compartment. Well, it's just the reflection of the whole car. The whole car is just really nice inside and out. So there you have it, a 2007 March, a four-wheel drive 3-litre Alphard, and with 56,000 miles. And if you are looking for a vehicle to do a camper-based conversion, then this one kind of ticks the boxes. It's four-wheel drive, it's 8-seater, and it doesn't have the sunroof. So this might be suitable if that's what you're looking for. Anyway, please do talk to Paul at JAA, and he can assist you in how to go about buying it, and we can assist you in arranging the shipping either to Bristol, Southampton, or Newcastle, or anywhere else in the world, in fact. But anyway, do talk to Paul, and thanks for watching, and I hope your summer is going well. Anyway, bye for now.